stop going to the salon for expensive blowouts and just do it right at home. Trust me, I'm not a hair professional, but I was easily able to do my blowout with the Shark Flexstyle. So we're going to start off with the paddle brush. This is going to help smooth out your hair so that you get a sleek and shiny blowout. So it helps straighten my hair, it gets rid of all that frizz, and it just makes my hair look so smooth and nicely polished. I really like doing this on the days where I don't feel like doing a full blowout. So this has been really nice to just like, if I want to just have sleeker hair, this is my go-to tool. So I'm going to do that all around my head, and look at that, my hair looks so much softer and straight. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the curlers. The curlers are pretty easy to use. You just got to put them at the tip of your hair and it will automatically wrap your hair on the curler. You're going to do that to all sides of your head. This one takes a while. You're going to do about 10-15 seconds of heat on it and then do a cool shot. So that's how the process works for the curlers. You can see me just doing it all over my head, and we can see those curls forming. Basically, after the curls form, what we're going to do is brush them out. But let me just go ahead and finish my curls, and look at that, you guys. I am done with the curls, and we can see the nice waves forming it. I'm going to go ahead and grab my oval brush. What I'm going to do is just volumize my front hair so that the blowout can come nicely together. To go ahead and wrap the front of my hair. Once that heats up, I'm gonna pull it back down, and look at that, it's nicely volumized, it looks sleek. And then look at that, guys, my blowout has come together in less than 30 minutes. I really love this tool, especially someone who is not a professional.